Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an essential gadget for anyone who loves beauty on the go. The FUNTOUCH Rechargeable Travel Makeup Mirror. This mirror has quickly become known as the best mirror for travel, and for good reason. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this product a must-have for your beauty routine, especially when you're away from home. First, let's talk about the design. The FUNTOUCH mirror is compact, lightweight, and portable, measuring just 5 inches by 7.5 inches, which makes it the perfect companion for travel. Weighing only 261 grams, you can easily slip it into your bag without feeling like you're carrying an extra load. This ultra-slim design resembles an iPad mini, so it not only fits in your luggage but also in your carry-on and purse with ease. Now, onto the features that truly set this mirror apart. It boasts an impressive 72 built-in LED lights, which provide 3 different color lighting options: white, warm, and cool. This versatility allows you to switch up your lighting according to your needs, whether you're applying makeup for a sunny day out, a cozy dinner, or under the harsh lights of a hotel bathroom. The transition between lighting modes is seamless, making it easy to find the perfect ambiance for your makeup application. One standout feature of the FUNTOUCH mirror is its dimmable touchscreen functionality. This high-sensitivity touch button design allows you to control the brightness with a simple short or long press. You can adjust the brightness to 3 levels: 100%, 50%, and 10%. This means you can have the perfect lighting for every situation, whether you need bright lights for detailed work or a softer glow for a relaxed atmosphere. Another highlight is the mirror's rechargeable lithium battery. With a robust 1000 mAh capacity, you don't have to worry about constantly changing batteries. You can easily recharge it via USB, ensuring that you always have power when you need it. Whether you're at home or traveling, the convenience of a rechargeable mirror cannot be overstated. In terms of build quality, the FUNTOUCH mirror is crafted from high-quality ABS plastic and glass. This ensures that the mirror remains lightweight yet durable, without any distortion or magnification issues. It's designed to provide a true reflection, so you can trust what you see when applying your makeup. The versatility of this mirror makes it not only perfect for travel but also an ideal addition to your vanity at home. You can use it for everyday makeup application or special occasions. Its elegant design fits seamlessly into any decor, making it a stylish accessory in any setting. As we wrap up our review, it's worth mentioning that the FUNTOUCH Rechargeable Travel Makeup Mirror is more than just a pretty face. It's practical, efficient, and user-friendly, making it a standout choice in the world of beauty mirrors. So there you have it. If you're looking for a reliable travel companion that will elevate your beauty routine, the FUNTOUCH mirror is undoubtedly the best mirror for travel. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great product reviews. Until next time, happy travels and happy makeup.